Okay, good afternoon everyone. So last class we was discussing about USI and USI layers, right? So we already discussed 5 layers in details. Can you tell me the name of all layers in a sequence? Anyone? Tell me the layers, 7 layers of USI model in a
Your
sequence.
voice is
Tell
So
me,
physical layer,
yeah, continue. Sikani, yeah, continue.
so da- data link layer,
First one, physical. Physical data link layer.
then network layer,
Okay, then
transport layer,
okay,
Session layer.
yes, excited. Then
then presentation layer,
okay,
Presentation layer.
and application layer.
okay. So till now we already discussed in details up to session layer, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and session layer. So today we discuss presentation layer. Am I audible? Am I audible to you?
Sir.
voice is breaking.
So in the first class itself, we discussed presentation layer. Presentation is the main duty of presentation layer is to encryption and compression. Okay, these are the two main duties of presentation layer: encryption and compression. As you know, it is the sixth layer of OSI model. So data will come from session layer and it will goes to application layer, the above layer of presentation layer. Okay, and in the receiver side, data will come from application layer and it will goes to session layer. Is it okay? This written here layers deals with syntax and semantics of the transmission. What is the meaning? Syntax and semantics. That is the rules of presentation layer is to maintain the syntax. Syntax means how we'll send the data, at what format. All these things will done by presentation layer. And obviously, once you send the data, you have to be encrypted so that no one can alter your information in between. Okay. So next layer is your application. So this is the topmost layer of the OSI model, which is directly connected with the user. Obviously, we already mentioned in the previous class that application layer is nothing but is directly related to the all application. For example, our web browser, for example, our email. Okay, so all these are all application, and these are directly connected with the topmost layer of the OSI model. That means application layer. If you want to send a message, you will use one of the webmail or one of the mail service, and that is nothing but one application, right? Right? So through that application, you will send a request to the networks, and the networks will transfer the data from that user to that another receiver. Okay. So during this transmission, all these layers of OSI model will do their appropriate duties. Is it okay? That's why they are mentioning here mainly support the end user process and application. This layer provides services to end user. End user means we are the end user. That means the user of the internet to get right to use networks. Is it clear? Any doubt? So this is all about your OSI model and their duties, how they work. Okay. So now anyone or two tell me the main duty of each and every layer in short within 30 minutes from the physical layer to application layer. What are the main duties of each and every layer of OSI? I think at the same time you'll get subject also are focusing with network, computer networks. Yes, you have computer networks in this semester, right? Yes or no? I'm looking for your response. Yes or no? Computer networks, how much that syllabus over computer networks?
Sir, your voice is not so clear.
Okay, not so clear is obvious because today my networks is weak, but you will get the recording of this class. So that is not a big problem. So my question is how much syllabus completed of a computer network subject? How much syllabus completed of your computer network syllabus?
Sir, Ranajit sir is not taking means online classes. He is providing just the notes.
Oh, not even
So
single
we are
class.
facing problem.
Not even single class also. All are not only.
He is not conducting online class.
Okay. So the beginning of network, computer network also the same things. You're not going to suffer too much. Those who start obviously will start from this only. What is computer networks? Then what is topology? Then this OSI layer. Okay, these are the same syllabus with computer networks. Since I am on the discussing, so you will not suffer too much. Don't worry. But still, we should take. Okay. Anyway, so it is clear to you OSI models. Any doubt? Why you need to learn OSI model? What's the use of OSI model? Any doubt? And what are the functions of each layer of OSI model? If no doubt, then I can continue. Tell me. I'm waiting for your response. Any doubt up to this class? This is I think fourth or fifth class.
Sir,
Yeah, I hear only sir, then nothing else. My question is any doubt till today's class from the beginning? What are the
sir,
topics we had discussed? What is computer networks? What are the types of computer networks? Then what is topology? What are the types of topology? Then we discuss OSI layer, why we need OSI layer, what are the layers of OSI layer, how to remember those layers, okay, what are the function of each layer. We discussed this much. So my next question is any doubt on these all topics? Yeah, tell me. Somebody were trying to say sir, sir, then nothing else. Continue. Yeah, if you want, tell me. Akshay Deep Hazarika. Any doubt?
স্যার আপোনাৰ ভইচটো বহুত ব্ৰেক হৈ আছে স্যাৰ
Okay, তুমি কোৱা শুনা পাইছা তো তোমাক সুধিছো any doubt?
হেল্ল'
ভইচ ডাউন আছে কাৰণে আজি মই তোমালোকৰ পৰা শুনিম সেইকাৰণে নেটৱৰ্ক প্ৰব্লেম আছে কিবা ডাউট আছে নেকি আজি
স্যাৰ আপুনি কি
ক্লাছত
কৈ আছে ভালকৈ বুজিয়ে পোৱা নাই
মই এটা এটা শব্দ কৈ আছো শুনা
স্যাৰ ডাউটটো নাই
কিবা
আপুনি
ডাউট
এবাৰ
আছে নেকি
ৰিভিজন দিব
সেইটোৱে
লাগিব
সুধি
স্যাৰ
আছো মই তেতিয়াৰ পৰা বেলেগ একো সোধা নাই কিবা ডাউট আছে নেকি আজিৰ ক্লাছটোলৈকে আগৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্টিঙৰ পৰা
হেল্ল'
শুনিছো কৈ থাকা তোমাৰ চাউণ্ড ঠিকে আছে কোৱা
স্যাৰ আপোনাৰ চাউণ্ডটো বহুত ব্ৰেক হৈ আহি আছে
মোৰ চাউণ্ড বাদ দিয়া মই একো কোৱাই নাই মই সুধি আছো তোমালোকৰ কিবা ডাউট আছে নেকি তোমাৰ ডাউট আছে নেকি কিবা
অঁ
বাইছে
স্যাৰ ডাউটটো তেনেকৈ নাই এবাৰ ৰিভিজন দিব লাগিব খালি স্যাৰ
ওকে নেক্সট ভাৰ্গৱ তুমি বন্ধ কৰা মাইক ভাৰ্গৱ জ্যোতিনাথ ভাৰ্গৱ unmute yourself and tell me any doubt ভাৰ্গৱ জ্যোতিনাথ
বহুত proudly. কিন্তু সি এটা বস্তু কিয় নাচায় তাৰ এটা ডিগ্ৰী আছে তথাপিতো সি আৰু এটা ডিগ্ৰী ল'ব আহিছে
ভাৰ্গৱ জ্যোতিনাথ
সেই বস্তুটো কিয় নাচায় সি তেতিয়া কম
you are not attending class
মই এটা ডিগ্ৰী আছে তথাপি আৰু এটা ডিগ্ৰী কৰিব আহিছো নিজকে আৰু সি মানে সিটো সুধিলে আমি
ভাৰ্গৱ জ্যোতিনাথ she is not attending my class only just log in then doing something else Dipankar. 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 Dipankar, are you there? Dipankar. Dipankar. Any doubt? Any doubt? No response. Those who are not responding will not get attendance. That is final. Shubham Nath. Shubham Nath. See, this is the online class. See the situation.
ये 79 to 60 यूपी रख के क्या करेगा? खरीद दो ना, बेचारा एक दिन रख लेगा तो।
Shubham Nath.
एक यूसी की नहीं तो यूसी को करेगा क्या वो बताओ? वो भी सेविंग
This is the situation.
जाते ना।
Shubhanjit. 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 Any doubt?
স্যার অ্যাপ্লিকেশন লেয়ারটা আরো একবার বুঝাই দিয়কচোন।
Okay. So application layer is directly connected to the user. For example, when you type something in a web browser, like a Google, when you type something in the Google is nothing but you are opening Google in the web browser, right? So that is your application layer. That means you are directly connecting the networks with that application. Okay, all the other layers is only virtual layers. You cannot see those layers, but application layer you are directly using that one. Application layer, physical layer is the where all the connection you can see those things. Application you can see in the computer, or the web browser you can see. That means these are the two layers you can directly connect it with. Okay, but rest of the layers only virtually can think, but those are not actually in the computer networks. Is it clear? Shubhanjit, clear?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. Next, Sibani.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, but what should I do? Those who are only logging and not attending my class, tell me your opinion. I already proved
Sir,
that.
don't give them attendance.
What?
Don't give them attendance.
দিলে হলো।
Okay. So it may be you also some days. So don't do these things with me. At any time I
Yes,
can unmute yourself. I am not a
Yes,
teacher.
sir.
I am not a teacher like other teacher. Okay. I'm little bit some
Okay, sir.
extra things in between. Yeah. I'm giving 100% to you. I'm expecting at least 98, 99% from you also. But at the end of this semester, I'm expecting more than 100 from you. That means you must have to know more than me about this subject. Yes, that is my aim.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
So don't sit with
Yes, sir.
me, but log in. If you doing other things, don't log in also. Even I'll not do anything for that. But once you log in, you have to be attend. You have to be with me 45 minutes with 100%.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Sagar,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sagar Sharma. Any doubts?
Nothing in me.
See, Sagar Sharma doing something else. Kalyan, Kalyan Soikia. Kalyan is there. Kalyan.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Kalyan na? Okay. Jitumoni.
No, no, sir.
Oh, Akshay.
No, sir.
Akshay, what? Here.
ছাৰ কল্যাণৰ কিবা মোবাইল ভাঙিলে সি লেপটপত কিবা ইমুলেটৰ দি ইউজ কৰি আছে
Okay, ঠিক আছে বাৰু।
সি শুনিহে পাই ক'ব
ঠিক
নোৱাৰে
আছে।
বুলি
Type কৰিব দিবা। Type. Those you have problem when I talk something, you type in chat box. You can type in the chat box. Yes, what, no, what. But I will do
অ'কে ছাৰ
this thing kind of things at any time. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have to be attentive in my class. Maybe it may be online or it may be physical. Both. Yeah, Kakoti.
Okay.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No? Okay. If no, I'll continue. So next topic is
Sure.
Ethernet LAN. Okay. Ethernet LAN is nothing but that we already discussed about the topology. Okay. So we discuss
Yes, sir.
the types of networks, LAN and WAN. So LAN is known as Ethernet LAN. Okay. When we connect with where we make a networks, that is your Ethernet. It is written here. LAN allows exchange data between personal computers or workstation. Ethernet LAN is a technology used by physical and data link layer. That means nothing but is a connectivity. That is the physical layer and data link layer is related to connectivity. Okay. So there are two Ethernet LAN technology commonly used, bus and star. Okay, these are the two topology used in Ethernet technology. Bus and star topology already we have discussed here. So you can think Ethernet is nothing but it's a LAN which is used to share information. Okay, and these are the two main topology used in Ethernet technology. This is the advantage of Ethernet technology: low cost, easy to install and maintain. So, well, directly discussing bus topology, right? So bus topology also low cost, easy to install. Okay, since it is connected with the wire, so if wire is not break, obviously successful interconnection and easy to troubleshoot because it is spread up to some meter, 100 meters, and reliable. So these are the advantages of Ethernet technology. Yes, any doubt? Ethernet technology?
No, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
Yeah, excited. The doubt is here?
অকমান ৰিপিট কৰি দিয়কচোন।
Okay. Ethernet LAN is a technology which is used by physical layer and data link layer. Okay, so the data rate of Ethernet is
Yes,
10,
sir.
10 Mbps. Okay, 10 Mbps means megabyte per second.
Okay, sir.
So we are talking about directly LAN technology. If you connect your computers with somebody using a wire, that is your Ethernet LAN. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
So mainly
Yes, sir.
two technology we use in Ethernet LAN: bus topology and star topology. Okay, these are the advantage of Ethernet LAN. Since bus topology we are using for Ethernet technology, obviously it is a low cost, only you will require well, okay, easy to install since it is all about 100 meters only. So you can easily maintain the connectivity, okay, and easily you can troubleshoot because it is not, it is spread up to some meter only, so you can easily check whether some cable is breakdown. If some wire is breakdown, you can easily connect that break of the wire. Okay, these are the advantages of Ethernet technology. So the first question answer I'm expecting from you. Which one? Which of the following layer does not use Ethernet LAN?
Sir,
sir,
application.
application that
Application, right? Ethernet star.
Application layer.
Yes. Ethernet star topology can be created using hop, true or false. Second one. Second answer, true or false. Star topology can be created using a hub. Yes or no? Second one answer, yes. You can see in the diagram there is a hub in star topology. See, it is a hub. It is the central device. So using this hub, you can create a star topology. And that is already when technology is nothing but wide area networks. Okay, it's spread up to a geographical area already discussed. One can be a group of land and man. That means if you connect some land or some man, then this become one. Okay, best example of one is internet. Obviously, internet is an example of one. Okay, any doubt? If somebody asks, tell me an example of WAN technology, it is nothing but your internet. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are the characteristics. Okay, WAN operates beyond the geographical structure of LAN, obviously. So LAN is spread up to some meter. So beyond that LAN is WAN. Okay, WAN is used to connect devices that are located in different geographical location. Obviously, when maybe somewhere in America, India, Pakistan, wherever it may be. are all become a when. So these are some of the characteristics of when. So we will discuss later on switching technology. We will discuss. So it is here written internet is an example of when, true or false?
Sir, true.
Yes.
True, sir.
Yes.
True, sir.
So next topic is a very very important topic. So we mentioned earlier, just we mentioned, but now not. Now maybe 1 or 2 weeks we will continue with IP address. Okay, it's very very important topics. What is IP address? Wait for a minute. So I need some extra class since in the last week I was absent. So who is here? Who is the seer of your class?
For this.
Is it present? Seer is present today?
Yes, sir,
Harshis.
sir. Yes, sir, I'm present.
Okay. I need some extra class, three or four class, last week class. Okay. So whenever you are free
Okay, sir.
in between 9 to 4, okay. So you have to give one list.
Okay, sir.
So if I also free at that time, I will take class, extra class. Okay.
Sir, every day you will take one extra class for 3 4 days.
Okay, that's why I give the free time. When when you are free, if I also free at that time, I can take. So you give me your free slot all the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. You make free slot and give that list to me.
Okay,
If I will be also free on that time, then I will do class. Clear? So by today
okay, sir.
night,
Yes, sir.
you will prepare a list where you are free, no class, no other class. Okay, that's what you send in my WhatsApp, in your group also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, so that I can
Okay, sir.
complete.
Sir, for how many days?
Uh huh. What?
Sir, for how many classes?
I think 4 class I missed last week. Last week or not class at all or nine?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir, for class.
that 4 class I will cover up. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So
Okay,
this
sir.
is your very very important of computer networks as well as routing and as well as for your lifetime knowledge for any competitive exam or any interview exam. You will get at least one question from this IP address and subnetting. Okay, and most of the question will be numerical in this topic. So don't miss my name. This extra class plus this two or three more class this week, right? So those I'll complete all this topic within these classes, 7 or 5 classes. It's a big topic. Okay. Okay. Let's start. What is IP address? So I mentioned already in the when I discuss which layer I discuss when I mentioned this topic. Can you tell me IP address? I talked somewhere in which layer of OSI model I mentioned IP address. As a monad,
Sir, network layer.
yes, the duty of one of the duty of network layer is IP addressing. Yes, and the another main duty of network layer was what? Routing. Yes,
Yes, sir.
try to speak with me, then you'll learn this subject very properly. Okay, this is very important subject, and as well as it's a interesting subject also. So you'll not feel bored if you learn with me together. Then you'll not feel bored. But if you sit idle like those person who just log in and doing something else, if they come back again, they will not understand anything what I am discussing, right? Yes or no? Those is only log in, then doing something else again, come back, they'll not get anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, those who are with me and learning with me together, then it is your advantage, not me. I already know these things. Again, I'm discussing. I'm getting my salary for this also. Okay, no problem. Okay, but if you not attend, you'll not get any physical class for this to learn. You have to learn in online only. So if you will not attend properly, you are sitting yourself, not sit me. Yes. So now I am discussing IP address. What is an IP address? बोल सकता है कोई डिस्कस किया था ये वाला डेफिनेशन what is the need of IP address? IP address is a unique number, unique ID assigned to all device of computer networks or in a networks. It's a unique number, right? Every computer have a unique number at a time.
सर
हाँ वाह
सर हर डिवाइस के लिए अलग अलग आईपी एड्रेस होता है ना?
हाँ हाँ सब डिवाइस के लिए एक एक टाइम में एक ही आईपी एड्रेस होता है जैसे
हाँ
मेरा मेरा पीसी में अभी लॉगिन चल रहा है ना सो एक आईपी से लॉगिन
हाँ
चल
सर
रहा है अभी दूसरा आईपी अभी नहीं आ सकता है ओके आई एम नाउ ऑनलाइन यूजिंग वन आईपी एड्रेस क्लियर सो दैट विल बी
मतलब सर हमेशा बड़ा चेंज होता रहता है आईपी एड्रेस
हमेशा सेंस नहीं होता है हमेशा कब होगा जब मैं लॉग इन लॉग आउट हो जाऊंगा तब हो सकता है दूसरा टाइम अगेन इफ आई लॉग इन then I may get the different IP address. But now only I am using only one IP address because session is about to finish. Only 5 minutes left. So after 5 minutes, if I again want to log in, then I may get a different IP address. Clear? But as of now, I am using only one IP address. So it is nothing but a unique number. So here I am writing an IP address is an address used in order to uniquely identify a device on an IP network. Okay, like if I ask your address, you will obviously tell me your address. That means care of something, your father name, then your place or city, whatever. That means I uniquely identify you by your address. Okay? Or if I ask your enrollment ID, that means when you tell me when you are telling 82 slash which is best 2019 or 20 19 to something 23 slash BCA, okay, slash 001. So if I talk about 001, that means that person will respond. Clear? That means I am uniquely identify a student using their enrollment ID. That means only one enrollment ID is assigned to you, okay, each and every of you. But in the next semester, when this time again BCA first semester is coming, they will get a different IP, different enrollment ID. Again, some difference will be there. Then year will be different. If you 2019, then they will get 2020 in the enrollment ID. Okay, so that means you are getting a unique ID or unique enrollment ID to identify you. Same way, in computer networks, each and every device has a unique numbers when that device is connected with a network. So that address is known as IP address. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it for today. You send your attendance in my WhatsApp. Those who attend within this time, I will consider those. Those who are not listening, obviously they will send later on. So I'll not take those attendance. Send it now, all of you, in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Sir.